Large portion of TUYA's customers on Amazon.com violated terms of use. After the call with analysts and investors, analysts estimated that the Amazon bans would negatively affect TUYA's 2021 second-half revenues by 10%, and that 20% of all TUYA IoT-enabled devices were sold through online channels such as Amazon. By August 2022, TUYA American depository shares had dropped below $2 per American depository share. 90% below the price at which TUYA American depository shares were sold to the investing public in the IPO. As of August 9, 2022, the price of TUYA American depository shares has remained significantly below the IPO price. 91% plus stock loss. TUYA Incorporated, ticker symbol, TUYA, investors, did you purchase or otherwise acquire TUYA securities between March 5, 2021 and May 10, 2022? Did you lose money? Jakubowitz Law announces that a class action lawsuit has been filed in the Southern District of New York on behalf of investors who lost money on TUYA Inc. shares purchased within this timeframe. You may be entitled to recover your losses. Contact Jakubowitz Law today by clicking the link below. According to the complaint, defendants made false statements and/or concealed that. Jakubowitz Law Firm represents shareholders who've been a victim of securities fraud. 1. A material portion of TUYA's China-based customers were engaged in the widespread and systematic manipulation of reviews and product offerings in violation of Amazon.com's terms of use. 2. Prior to the initial public offering, a consumer investigation and data breach had exposed an illicit fake review scheme being perpetrated by many of TUYA's clients, among others, which included, inter alia, the exposure of 13 million records of organized fake review scams, linked to over 200,000 Amazon account profiles. 3. As a result of 1 and 2 above, there was a substantial risk that a material portion of TUYA's significant customers would be barred from using Amazon.com's platform, negatively impacting TUYA's business, revenue, earnings, and prospects, and 4. As a result of 1 to 3 above, the registration statement's representations regarding TUYA's historical financial and operational metrics and purported market opportunities and expected growth did not accurately reflect the actual business, operations, financial results, and trajectory of the company at the time of the initial public offering, and such statements were materially false and misleading and lacked a reasonable factual basis. If you suffered losses in TUYA Incorporated, you have until October 11, 2022 to request that the court appoint you as a lead plaintiff. Your ability to share in any recovery doesn't require that you serve as lead plaintiff. Don't miss the deadline, submit your information today. This video may be considered attorney advertising under the laws of your states, and prior results do not guarantee similar outcomes. Jakubowitz Law is waiting to hear from you. Thanks for watching, click subscribe, and be notified of another securities announcement.